How did the Titanic Shipyard work? Have you ever wondered how a massive ship like the RMS Titanic was built? The story begins at the Harland and Wolff Shipyard in Belfast, Northern Ireland. This shipyard was a marvel of its time, capable of constructing several large vessels at once. The process started with detailed design plans, which laid the groundwork for everything that followed. The first step in building the Titanic was laying the keel, which is the ship's backbone. This crucial part provided the foundation for the entire structure. Once the keel was in place, workers began constructing the ship piece by piece. At Harland and Wolff, thousands of skilled workers were involved in this monumental task. Engineers, riveters, welders, and laborers all played vital roles. The shipyard was organized into specialized areas. Some sections focused on metalwork, while others handled woodwork or installed engines and boilers. One fascinating aspect of the shipyard was the slipways, which are large ramps where ships are built. These slipways allowed the Titanic to be launched into the water once construction was complete. The shipyard also featured cranes and machinery to move heavy materials around efficiently. Archaeologists today study the remains of the Titanic shipyard to understand how it operated. They examine the layout of work areas, the tools used, and the infrastructure that supported construction. This research helps us learn about the shipbuilding techniques of the early 20th century. The Titanic itself provides additional clues about the shipyard's construction methods. The wreck of the Titanic, resting on the ocean floor, reveals how the ship broke apart and the distribution of artifacts. For instance, the location of the boilers and engine parts in the debris field gives insights into how these components were installed. The archaeological study of the Titanic shipyard is part of a broader field known as industrial archaeology. This field focuses on understanding the history of industrial sites and technology. By examining the Titanic shipyard, researchers gain a clearer picture of maritime engineering and the evolution of shipbuilding practices. In summary, the Titanic shipyard worked by organizing large teams of skilled workers and specialized equipment to construct a massive ship from the keel up. The archaeological investigation of the site and the wreck allows us to piece together the methods used and learn from the physical evidence left behind. This approach provides a fascinating glimpse into the industrial history of shipbuilding.